Good morning students. This is 11th standard botany video class, video 16. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson Living World. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen classification of fungi. That is, the kingdom fungi is divided into three broad divisions, that is Gymnomycota, Mastigomycota and Amastigomycota, which contains 8 subdivisions, 11 classes, 1 form class and 1 form subclass are given in the classification of kingdom, which was proposed by Alexopoulos and Charles W. Mims in the year 1979. They published their classification in their book is Introductory Mycology. The traditional system of classification fungi, which contains 4 classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Among these 4, Phycomycetes contains different fungal species of Oomycetes, Chytridiomycetes and Zygomycetes are named as lower fungi because they are originated from the algal, that is algae. So they are named as lower fungi. Then we have seen the general characteristic feature of division 1, Gymnomycota and Mastigomycota, then Amastigomycota. And also we have seen different classes. That is classes of subdivision 1, 2 and 3. Oomycetes, Zygomycetes and Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and 1 form class is Deuteromycetes fungi. Out of this 5, we have seen Oomycetes and Zygomycetes, their salient feature with a reproductive nature in the previous video class. Now in this video class, we are going to start the next class, that is Ascomycetes fungi and the salient feature. Dear students, Ascomycetes fungi, which contains wide range of fungi species such as unicellular fungi, yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, powdery mildew fungi, that is in the form of powder, cup fungi, the shape is look like in the form of cup shape, then morels, moral shape is look like in the form of ice cream. There is ice cream, it is in the form of chocobar ice cream, shape like that. That type of fungi is named as morels. These are all the different fungal species included in the class Ascomycetes fungi. Dear students, see the diagram. This is the one of the fungi which belongs to the class Ascomycetes, named Morchella. See the shape of the fungi. It's look like in the form of chocobar ice cream. That is said to be the morels fungi. Dear students, this is the another fungi which is named as Phacecia. The shape of the fungi look like cup-shaped fungi. Dear students, this is the structure which are showing the fruiting body of the class Ascomycetes fungi, named as Cleistothecium. Cleistothecium, Perithecium and Apothecium. So Cleistothecium, which means completely closed type of fruiting body. What is fruiting body? Don't think that they are producing the fruit like structure. they are named as fruiting body, but they are not produce fruit-like structure. Fruiting body, which means spore producing body, are named as fruiting bodies. This is the one of the type of fruiting body which is produced in the Ascomycetes fungi, named as Cleistothecium, which means closed shaped up fruiting body. So these are all the another shape of fruiting body. The shape is look like in the form of flask shaped structure which having minute opening at the tip is named ostiole. Inner side of the perithecium, that is flask shaped. A lower bulged portion contains ascospore which is present in the ascus. Between the ascus, they are having the paraphysis, that is sterile body of the ascus named as paraphysis. Inside the ascus, they contain 8 ascospore. How many ascospore? 8 ascospores are present inside the fruiting body. That's why I told you fruiting body means spore bearing organ. This is the Ascomycetes fungi. So they are producing the spore, it's said to be ascospore. These spores are produced in the club shaped structure is called a ascus. Some of the ascus do not produce spores. They are named as sterile ascus, named paraphysis. So this type of fruiting body is named as perithecium. Another one, apothecium. The shape is look like in the form of cup-shaped fruiting body. This is the cup-shaped fruiting body which contains ascus, a club-shaped structure. Inside the ascus, 8 ascospores are present. Each ascus which are separated by a sterile region is called a paraphysis. So this type of fruiting body, that is cup-shaped fruiting body, is named as apothecium. Dear students, this is the diagram which are showing how ascospore it is formed in the hyphal region or mycelium of the fungal body. That one we will see later. But you should know how ascus which is formed, there is ascospore which is formed in a side. Each ascus, see how many ascospore is there. The counting is constant, number is constant. There is 8 ascospore which are produced in each ascus. So this is the different developmental stages of ascospore formation. So next salient feature of Ascomycetes fungi is most probably all the Ascomycetes fungi species live in terrestrial environment, that is live on the land region, that is said to be terrestrial. Some of them which live in the aquatic environment, that is water. In aquatic environment, they are present both fresh water as well as the marine water. Marine water means sea water, salt water. Both fresh water and marine water, some of the fungi which are living in the aquatic environment. All these Ascomycetes fungi, the mycelium, that is fungal body or a thallus, is well developed and also showing number of branches with a simple partition, that is septum. So this is the other two characteristic feature of Ascomycetes fungi. Next one, majority of these fungi are saprophytes, live on the dead and decayed matter, but few of them which are showing parasitic mode of nutrition. Example, powdery mildew, Aedes aegypti. Then asexual reproduction is taken place by binary fission, budding formation, Oidia, Conidia, and Chlamydospores. Then, sexual reproduction is taken place by the fusion of two compatible nuclei, that is, two of the hyphae which contains individual nuclei which are act as a male and a female cell, and they are fused together to form a newly formed fungal hyphae. That is the sexual reproduction method. Plasmogamy is taken place. What is a plasmogamy? Fusion of protoplasm. Two protoplasm is named as plasmogamy. Followed by karyogamy is also taken place. That is fusion of two nucleus. Instead of diploid nucleus, a dikaryotic condition is prolonged for several generations. That means once the fusion of two nucleus is taken place, 1+1 diploid condition, a diploid nucleus condition is present for several generations. Then special hyphae called ascogenous hyphae is formed. So ascogenous hyphae only they are produced afterwards. Ascus with the ascospore. So a special type of hyphae named ascogenous hyphae is also formed in Ascomycetes fungi. Dear students, in this points onwards, we are going to see how ascospore, which is formed in the single hypha or mycelium. A cross-ear is formed when the tip of the ascogenous hyphae recurves, forming a hooked cell. A cross-ear means a small curved nature which is produced at the tip of the special hyphae named ascogenous hyphae. Finally, it will be curved in the form of hook-like structure which contains two nuclei within the cell of hyphae fused to form a diploid nucleus. So, the hyphae which contains two nucleus means what will happen? It is a xenocytic mycelium or hyphae which contains many nuclei. Out of this many nuclei, two penultimate cell of the nucleus is fused together, joined together. Nearby cells are individual hyphae with a different nuclei. Nearby nuclei which is present are fused together to form a diploid nucleus. This diploid nucleus is named as young stage of ascus. Then this diploid nucleus which is undergo meiotic cell division to produce 4 haploid nuclei. So this 4 haploid nuclei further undergo mitotic cell division to form 8 nuclei. So the 8 nuclei which is organized into the 8 ascospore. That is the steps which is involved in the formation of ascospore. Dear students, this is the structure which are showing fruiting body in the shape of completely closed named Cleistothecium, which means completely closed. Next one, Perithecium, which is flask shaped, which containing open at the tip named ostiole. Another one, Apothecium, the shape is cup shaped and also open type. And last one is the Pseudothecium. The diagram is not given here. So these are all the different types of fruiting body named as ascocarp, which is present in the Ascomycetes fungi. Dear students, these are all the different characteristic features of Ascomycetes fungi and their structure of fruiting bodies. Then, different shape of the Ascomycetes fungi. Then, reproductive nature, formation of ascospore in the ascus. Everything we have seen in this video. I hope you all understood the characteristic feature of Ascomycetes fungi. Next, we are going to see the characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes fungi. Dear students, next one is the Basidiomycetes fungi, which contains different fungal species such as puffballs, toadstools, bird's nest fungi, bracket fungi, stink horns, rust and smut fungi are the different species of Basidiomycetes fungi. Bracket fungi, stink horns, rust and smut are the different fungal species in Basidiomycetes fungi. One of the example is Agaricus. In Tamil we call it Naikudai colon. Then Geester is another type of fungi, look like large size, flower appearance. Next one, this is the special structure which is seen at the time of reproductive process. Dolifer septum. That means the outer surface which is red in color, reddish brown in color is named as Dolifer septum, which is formed before the reproductive process. This is the different steps which is involved in the structure and the reproduction in Basidiomycetes fungi, and also a clamp connection. Clamp connection means a small hook-like structure which is produced between the two hyphal cells which forming a cavity and makes to fuse the nucleus and form the diploid nucleus. This diploid nucleus undergo mitotic division, formed 4 haploid nucleus. Then again the partition is taken place between the hyphal cell, that is named as clamp connection. That one we will see later. Just we should know the general characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes and reproduction in Basidiomycetes fungi. So most of the members are terrestrial, that is living on the land region. Some of them living on the dead and decayed matter, saprophytic fungi, example Agaricus, Naikudai colon, and another one parasitic mode of life. Here they are having proper mycelium with a cross wall or septum, with a Dolifer septum, that means a small bracket like outer surface which is present on the cell wall is named as Dolifer septum, bracket like structure. 3 types of mycelium is also produced in this fungal division, namely primary mycelium, secondary and tertiary. Primary means which contains only 1 nucleus, secondary 2 nucleus, and tertiary there is 3 nucleus are found inner side of the mycelium. Then a connection between the 2 hyphal partner in the form of clamp or a hook-like structure is produced between the hyphal cell wall, named dikaryotic condition, because one cell and the another cell which are joined together with the help of a clamp. So the individual cell which contains two nucleus, that condition is called a dikaryotic condition. Dear students, then asexual reproduction in Basidiomycetes fungi is by means of conidia, oidia or budding. Sexual reproduction is present, but male and female sex organs are absent. It is taken place in the form of somatogamy. What is the somatogamy? Two body cells are fused together to form a new fungal partner. Then spermatization. What is the spermatization? One of the body cell which are modified into oval shaped structure act as a male gamete, sperm or ova. Then at the base they are having the archis or female gamete. Both of them fuse together to form a diploid nucleus. Afterwards it is developed into new fungal body. So this spermatization or oval shaped structure formed with the help of fusion of plasmogamy. Then followed by karyogamy is very delayed, so that each cell which contains in the form of dikaryotic phases prolonged generation. Prolonged means it will be continuously seen in the several generation in diploid condition or dikaryotic condition. Then afterwards, karyogamy, fusion of nucleus, is taken place within the sac-like structure is called basidium, and immediately the basidium developed into meiotic cell division, produce basidiospores. So these four haploid nuclei transformed into the basidiospores, which are formed in a special structure is called a sterigmata outside the basidium, that is exogenous. The basidium is look like in the form of club shape with the four basidiospores. Thus, this group of fungi is popularly named as club fungi. The fruiting body is named as basidiocarp. So these are all the different characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes fungi. In this fungi, the formation of club-shaped basidiospores outer to the sterigmata, that is exogenous, so that this fungi is named as club fungi, which are producing the fruiting body is named as basidiocarp. Dear students, these are all the general characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes fungi. Is the important 5-mark question. Not only that, the general characteristic feature of Ascomycetes fungi is also very, very important 5-mark question. Dear students, before going to finish the video class, we are going to see that one, how clamp connection is taken place between the hyphal nucleus. First one is the single hyphae with a cross wall, that is septum, which contains two nucleus. One is reddish in color, another is the pink in color. Then in the second diagram, the hyphal partner which is elongated, so the nucleus is also moving towards a clamp-like structure which create the cavity. Then the third diagram, each nuclei which is undergo mitotic cell division to produce diploid nucleus. Then in the next diagram, a small another clamp which is formed. Only one nucleus which is entered into the another clamp, remaining which is located in the same hyphae. So each and every one, once again they are produced the another type. So the last diagram which are showing two clamp with two different nuclei in each cell, that is said to be the clamp connection which are connecting one nucleus with the other nucleus of a Eiffel cell. That is said to be clamp connection, which is responsible for the formation of four nuclei, otherwise named as basidiospores, which is born on the small club-shaped structure is called sterigmata, which is produced on the outer side of the basidium. The basidium are in the shape of club-shaped structure, so that these fungi is named as club fungi. The fruiting body is named as basidiocarp. The next one is Deuteromycetes fungi or fungi imperfecti. Dear students, this is the book back question and also very important 3 mark and 5 mark question. Write a short notes on Deuteromycetes fungi or fungi imperfecti. Or they'll ask another type of question. Why Deuteromycetes fungi are named as fungal imperfecti? Because this group of fungal partner are a species which lacks the sexual mode of reproduction. Sexual reproduction is absent, so that they are named as fungi imperfecti. The answer is the fungi belonging to this group lack sexual reproduction and are called fungi imperfecti. Most of the species of this fungal group is saprophytic fungi living in the soil region, and some of them or many of them are living on the plant body and animal body as parasites. Asexual reproduction is taken place by conidia, chlamydospore, budding and oidea. Conidia are produced in the special type of fruiting body structure is called pycnidium, acervulus and sporodochium and cinemata. So these are all the different types of fruiting body which is present in the Deuteromycetes fungi. Dear students, this is the one type of fruiting body named as pycnidium. Present in the plant is called phoma. They are producing the spores is called pycniospores. The fruiting body is named as pycnidium. Dear students, this is the another type of fruiting body named as acervulus, which is present in the Colletotrichum fungal species. The conidium is in the shape of moon-shaped structure, which contains the sterile organ is called setae. Then some of the fertile regions are produced conidiophore. Conidiophore means what is that in English? Stalk-like portion of the conidium is named as conidiophore. This type of fruiting body is named as acervulus. Example, Colletotrichum. Dear students, this is the another type of fruiting body named cinema, which is present in the fungal body named as graphium. So this is the structure which are having the long branched stalk-like structure is called conidiopore. At the tip of the conidiopore, they are having large number of conidia. So this is the another fruiting body named cinema in graphium species of fungi. So dear students, these are all the different types of fruiting body which is produced in the Deuteromycetes fungi, that is acervulus, pycnidium, sporodochium and cinema are the different types of fruiting body which are producing the conidia. So these are all the characteristic feature of Deuteromycetes fungi or fungi imperfecti. This Deuteromycetes fungi which are showing the parasexual cycles which operates the fungal group of Deuteromycetes fungi. This brings the genetic variation among the different species of Deuteromycetes fungi. Parasexual cycle. So parasexual cycle means they are producing only one type of sex organs. Sex organ means not correctly the sex organs. They are producing a spores, like only one type of spores they are produced. That is said to be parasexual cycle, which leads to the variation among the different groups of species present in the Deuteromycetes fungi. So dear students, up to this we have seen the general characteristic feature of Ascomycetes fungi, Basidiomycetes fungi and Deuteromycetes fungi. Ascomycetes fungi is named as sac fungi due to the presence of sac-like structure called ascus. Basidiomycetes fungi are named as club fungi due to the formation of club-shaped basidium with 4 basidiospores. Deuteromycetes fungi are named as fungi imperfecti, that means lack of sexual reproduction. They are named as fungi imperfecti division. Then both Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes fungi, they are producing the special type of spore producing organ named as fruiting body. Ascomycetes fungi produce Cleistothecium, Perithecium, Apothecium and Pseudothecium of the fruiting body. Basidiomycetes produce the fruiting body named Basidiocarp. Deuteromycetes, which are producing the fruiting body, is named Pycnidium, Acervulus, Sporodochium and Cinema, are the different types of fruiting body which is produced in different fungal division. That means different classes of fungal division, that is Basidiomycetes fungi, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes fungi. Dear students, I hope have you all understood different classes of fungi such as Oomycetes, Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes fungi. Dear students, remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best children.